Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can we off dial pad tone in our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to off guys this dial pad tone guys, you don't like that this tone guys, you want to off it, so guys you can off in your Vivo phone. And guys, how to off in this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so guys first of all you can subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting to off dial pad tone. Then guys scroll. As you can see guys, your sound setting in your Vivo phone. So guys click here. Again scroll guys. Scroll it. Then guys you can see dial pad tones. So this below icon guys, we will have to click here to off it. And guys you can on from here also. So we will dial any number. So as you can see, this dial pad tone will not work in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off dial pad tone in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Bye bye friends.